So the domestic violence justice response was meant or is meant to be a more holistic approach to victims in particular and the families that are experiencing domestic violence. So we want to make sure that it's very much viewed from the view of the victim, not the justice system participants, and certainly not the police or the Crown or other people that are involved formally. We wanted to make sure it was approachable and accessible by people that are unwittingly and involuntarily stuck in this system. So that was our primary focus, was that holistic approach. We don't want it just to be about the people that are involved. We want to make sure that the systems involved have to respond to people more appropriately.
What we saw as a gap is the inconsistency of services. There are some victims of intimate partner violence that will get 5 or 6 opportunities for services, and others go unattended. They're in a circumstance where their well-being isn't necessarily solid or strong enough in that moment to be able to respond proactively for themselves. They've just been in an incident, and so their mind is racing. They're trying to figure out what to do. They're wanting to care for their children. They want to make sure that their pets are cared for. They want to make sure that their home is safe. And so there's a lot rushing through their mind. And so if somebody walks in and says, hey, I'm from this organization and I can provide you some supports, they may not be at a point where they're able to receive those supports just because of the whole experience of what they're going through. So as a victim serving organization, our goal was to be able to provide services beyond just that initial call, so that we could be able to provide services on day 2, day 3, day 7, day 15, day 75, or 5 years down the road, if that in fact was how long that incident took to be able to come to its fulsome resolve. The program has been designed so that our workers will be connecting with them strategically throughout that period of time.
Every situation is different. Family dynamics are complex. Things take years to evolve before we actually may get involved. And so to go in and think that it's a one-pat solution or one simple solution is really, really short-sighted. We need an army of people in the community as well as the system to be able to respond to the complexities of domestic violence, which are different for everyone else. Yes, there's themes, but the solutions are not necessarily one size fits all for everyone as well.